Malembe ya nhungu lama nga hundza, Bafana Senzo Meyiwa u baleseriwe a lova eFosloras, a endzele ntombi yakwe khale khumalo eka vamhana yena. Kambe na sweswi a swi tiveka kahle ku ri ku humelele yini madambu ya Mahungu. Ntlhanu wa vavanuna va le ku tengisiweni ekhoto ya le henhla ya Pitori mayelana na ku dlawa ka Meyiwa. Ku tengisiwa ka vona a ku fanele ku ya emahlweni mixo wa namuntlha, laha mbhoni yo sungula Musiya a yime ku lungha. Hambiswiritano, xikombelo xa le tlhelo xa ku sivela khampani ya vuhumelerisi bya tifilimi ku va xiphemu xa ntshamo xa angariwile emahlweni ka khoto endzhaku ka swivilelo.
There is a difference between the media house and the production house. These people are the film production. They are not media house. They are not a mainstream media when you talk about 405, 403, 470. So these are the people they are here not for the public knowledge or information. They are here for the profit of their company.
We've heard, my lord, that when this documentary was flighted, there were interviews with witnesses. The witnesses or the public was invited to proffer comment as to whether anyone can be held liable for killing Mr. Senzo Meyiwa. And that is what this court insisted. In so doing, my lord, this media 1010 usurped the function of the court.
Khampani ya 1010 film yi kanetana ni leswi.
My client has a right to be known what it's accused of, to know why it is being singled out among all the other media companies to be excluded. Everyone else in the country could walk through the court's doors and see what is happening, but my client is being singled out for exclusion from the proceedings, and that has to be based on evidence, not merely on conjecture.
Mwabanyisi u bohe leswaku khampani yi nga yi emahlweni yi kandziyisa.
The court is not ordering anybody out that applied to participate in this trial, especially those who applied on the basis that they form part and parcel of what is considered to be media houses. And I think that is my ruling.
Nandzu u ta ya emahlweni mundzuku.